How to read Snapchat messages without them knowing. You can read Snapchat messages without the sender knowing by using a simple half swipe trick. So here is what you can do. First of all, open the Snapchat app on your mobile device and make sure that you are logged into your Snapchat account. So once inside the Snapchat app, basically I'm new in Snapchat. So these are my friend suggestion. Go to the chats area and all you have to do is go to the conversation of which you want to read the messages without them knowing. Now all you have to do is don't tap on the chat already. Press and hold the sender's Bitmoji or profile icon, then slowly drag your finger to the right to pick at the conversation without fully opening it. Once you have read what you need, slide your finger back to the left and release. This way it won't show as opened. For extra safety, you can also turn on airplane mode before opening a chat. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.